Push treat your blood clot, but every day they on the blood clot, dirty woman life. Follow blood clot hype. Dirty Terrian. Nasty Terrian liver than a blood clot spoilers. Nasty beggy blood clot Peggy Dirty Terrian. AKA Tuffy the AKA the vampire AKA the blood clot ghost. Nasty blood clot ghost Terrian. Nasty stinking blood clot Terrian. Tuffy we suck blood clot old. Tuffy don't know a stinking blood clot baby father. Nasty Terrian. Tough Terrian. Dirty Tuffy. Remember, tell Puppy Tail she come blood clot from me up on Instagram. Because I don't know Puppy Tail from no blood clot where. Nasty blood clot Terrian. Tell Puppy Tail she come blood clot friend me up. When I talk to blood clot up, because Puppy Tail look like a Puppy Tail body look disgusting. Cranny and this blood clot disgusting. And a Puppy Tail body cranny and blood clot disgusting. Dirty Terrian. Nasty Terrian, I don't see it upon a blood clot fake page. I know you over blood clot here. Suck with Terrian, go do a DNA for your blood clot pitney. Go and do your DNA for your blood clot ugly pitney. J1 is so fucking ugly. Next time when you make J1 milk, put some bleaching up J1 blood clot milk and poison blood clot. Nasty Terrian, your son suck pussy like dog. Nasty blood clot Terrian, your son trap pussy like dog, eat pussy and trap pussy. Nasty Terrian, you have to sell your pussy for survive. I have to mind the blood clot, man. Dirty Tuffy. Dirty stinking Tuffy. Skin over your blood clot, ugly pitney blood clot face. You see your face, your pitney ugly. That can be a pussy. Your son going to be a pussy every night time and I suck blood clot pussy. Nasty Terrian. Nasty Terrian. Puppy Tail don't know nothing about me. Me and Puppy Tail never know blood clot friend. Dirty stinking Tuffy. Nasty Tuffy, me and Puppy Tail never know blood clot friend. Scamabella blood clot Puppy Tail. That Scamabella blood clot Puppy Tail and Scamabella blood clot Terrian. Terrian, you scam no blood clot. You walk and beg like your bumbo clot bind. This beggy blood clot Peggy. Blood clot ears. Your ears dirty. Terrian, go brush your blood clot teeth. Go and brush your blood clot teeth, Terrian. Your teeth need for blood clot brush. Dirty Tuffy. Dirty Tuffy. Go brush your stinking mouth. Every man fucking in your blood clot mouth. My jaws leaving a blood clot park. A Puppy Tail blood clot jaws leaving at the blood clot park. A Puppy Tail jaws leaving at the blood clot park. God, no man no want blood clot Puppy Tail. Puppy Tail have to take blood clot people, man, and fuck blood clot people, man. Dirty Terrian. Say any blood clot information Puppy Tail I give you. Puppy Tail can't talk about me because Puppy Tail I have a man who blood clot want me Puppy Tail. The last time I checked Puppy Tail, the man never blood clot leave me a dirty Puppy Tail. Nah, no fuck Puppy Tail you have 8 blood clot pit you look like Zimba blood clot wear. Nasty Puppy Tail you have 8 blood clot ugly pitney. I ugly pitney look like blood clot Zimba wear. Puppy Tail no man never blood clot left me blood clot yet. Them only left me come out bad no blood clot. And them know say me would diss up them blood clot. No man never said I'm a pussy stinking Puppy Tail. No man never said I'm a bore in a bed. No man never said I'm suck him on your dirty Puppy Tail. Puppy Tail them leave your blood clot daughter jaws not the blood clot part. Dirty Puppy Puppy Tail. Dirty Puppy Tail. Dirty Puppy Tail want fuck the people them man and now blood clot collect. Blood clot Puppy Tail china blood clot eat your nasty Puppy Tail. Nasty Puppy Tail china blood clot eat you. You mad Puppy Tail. You mad remember you come blood clot femi I'm running like a blood clot dog. Remember some can blood clot him. Dirty Puppy Tail. Nasty Puppy Tail. Remember me running like a blood clot dog cause he's a blood clot dog. Nasty Puppy Tail. I tell you something, you're gonna live for your blood clot, nasty Puppy Tail. I'm not ease up off a blood clot, you. Me, not ease up off of you. So you have to go send Puss for blood clot, rub me. You have to pay Puss for a blood clot, me, Puppy Tail. You have for pay Tuffy for a blood clot me because me not ease up off of you. Me and my mother go come out and bring the blood clot later. Nasty puppy tail. Me and my mother go take the life and bring the ugly blood clot. Nasty puppy tail. Nasty puppy tail. Me go call my mother upon the phone. Make my mother class out your blood clot. Dirty skull in a bed, blood clot, puppy tail. Where dash a whole heap of blood clot belly. Nasty puppy tail walk and dash a belly and eat the blood clot, pitney them. But now ease up on your feel and skull in a belly, blood clot, puppy tail. Well, if done a blood clot, Birmingham. Puppy tail, the people that ask for your cemetery, ask for your blood clot all. Cemetery ask because every time I breathe, that show the blood clot picking in my cemetery. Skull in a blood clot belly, dirty puppy tail. Dirty puppy tail. Yeah, I figure blood clot pay Puss for blood clot rob me. As what I say, if Puss call me blood clot name, me call it blood clot immigration pan carry bad way. And that me blood clot say. If Puss call me name, me I go call it immigration pan carry bad blood clot way. And that me blood clot say. And that me say, and that me blood clot mean. Nasty blood clot puppy tail. Go have a blood clot life. Every man fuck you and park your blood clot. Shit up batty blood clot puppy tail. We have 8 blood clot pitney. 8 times you bring 8 different blood clot baby father. A 2 blood clot baby father. A 2 baby father I have a 2 baby father respect me to the ground no blood clot. Nasty puppy tail. You don't know no about me. Nasty puppy tail. Nasty puppy tail. You don't know no about me. Say anything where you gotta tell Tuffy. Me not care. Cause remember me shitting in your mouth and pissing in your blood clot face. I rub your blood clot out and tell if you go suck your blood clot mother. Nasty blood clot. Green pussy puppy tail. Puppy tail your pussy green no blood clot. Your pussy stink no blood clot. China say your pussy blood clot stink. Nasty puppy tail. Me later I gonna make me and my mother rub you blood clot out. Me not ask cry. Me I gonna call my mother up on the next phone and make my mother this up your ugly blood clot, gorilla blood clot face. Puppy tail, you see you look like a blood clot, gorilla. Nasty puppy tail. Nasty puppy tail of a thief, blood clot people, baby father, and fuck the people, that baby father. The man only fuck you when he want fuck. And go back to him, blood clot, woman where I'm living. Nasty puppy tail. Nasty puppy tail, the man can't deal with me like blood clot, that me a blood clot, but puppy tail, the man can't fuck me and sleep with me and go back to him, blood clot, wife and baby mother. Nothing a lifetime and not in a blood clot in a them life, yeah. You're crazy puppy tail. Man, I gonna leave me and fuck me with my good pussy. I gonna go to them blood clot, baby mother. Eh? Or me or a female gonna sleep with a man in an hour time, 3 hours, and then gone back to him blood clot, baby mother. Unless me not no blood clot confident. Unless me not no blood clot confident. Puppy tail member say you have to take blood clot, people man. People man, the man all fuck you and go. The man all fuck you, pay you and go. You fuck, remember you ball on the phone and you left the voice up on the blood clot for nasty, calling a belly blood clot puppy tail. The man ate you no blood clot, dirty puppy tail. The man ate your puppy tail. The man blood clot ate you, nasty, calling a belly blood clot, dirty puppy tail. Go have a blood clot life, dirty girl, but you tell Tuffy for rub me. But oh my jazz live in a blood clot park. A puppy tail daughter jazz live in a blood clot park. My jazz live in a park, puppy tail. My jazz live in a top, but you tell Tuffy for say, oh my jazz live in a the park. I push jazz and your jazz, puppy tail, and your daughter jazz live in a the blood clot park. And then Ukku terrier live, jazz live in a the blood clot park. Eh? Or jazz live in a blood clot park. Nasty terrier. Ukku terrier, we have a skin up back a blood clot son. J1 eat pussy like dog. Next time when I make J1 blood clot, next time when I give J1 a mackerel milk, just throw some bleach in a blood clot. Let's make it kill him blood clot. Nasty terrier. Now call my blood clot name Stinky mouth Tuffy. Now come name, come here, no blood clot from me. Your daughter was blood clot friend. Nasty Tuffy. Don't call me bumbo clot name, stinking Tuffy. Tuffy, you talk about my jaws living at the talk. My jaws supposed to live in the park, but your mother dead with blood clots, HIV. Your mother fuck till she can't fuck no more. Nasty Tuffy. Your mother fuck old man, this man, that man, mad man until she get blood clot. Yes. Your mother walk and sell blood clot pussy till she get blood clot, HIV. Dirty, and then it got she couldn't get on her medication because she broke the blood clot. But she have to sell her pussy and the man not get her money for buy her medication. Kind of England she there. If she there England, she get it blood clot free. Your mother catch HIV and she never take her medicine. It go to blood clot. Yes, nasty Tuffy. Your mother's dead with blood clot. Yes, dirty Tuffy. Dirty Tuffy, your mother sell pussy and then she dead with blood clot. Yes, dirty Tuffy. Dirty Tuffy, blood clot, stinky mouth, fuck out, blood clot, puppy tail don't know no about blood clot me. Puppy tail don't know no about blood clot me. Me and puppy tail never blood clot talk yet in a blood clot real life. Me and puppy, me not like the page, the page just come from my page. So me not like the page, I know. I swear to God, me soon black the page, yeah. Come in and no. Nasty Tuffy. Nasty Tuffy, Terrian, nasty Tuffy, me know puppy tail from no blood clot where puppy tail man just fuck puppy tail and bag blood clot puppy tail face, cause puppy tail face look like a destruction. Nasty Tuffy, puppy tail can't tell us my jaws left in the park. Puppy tail talk about oh Puss when she was talking and Puss was from here cause Puss want to viewers on her fucking life. My jaws can't left in the blood clot park. Cause me never get raped in the blood clot park. I me never get molested in the blood clot park. In England, Tuffy have some blood clots and in England somebody just dry you and rape you. You know much years them that get blood clot that? You know much years you think England have more law than blood clot America? Eh? If you have somebody come here your door and them stand up at your door and you find it where they can lock them up. If you have somebody push a key in your door and them no stand up for your door and you hear them a push the key and you call police, the police can blood clot charge them. Nasty blood clot Terrian. Nasty fuck out Tuffy. Puppy tail no know nothing about me, suck with Tuffy. J-Quan eat pussy like animal. Tuffy, put J-Quan on your pussy and make him suck out your pussy. Put J-Quan on your pussy and make him eat out your stinking pussy. Your stinking pussy where your husband on blood clot while you claim for husband. Put your blood clot, your unwanted blood clot, son. When unwanted from the internet, you think we're stupid over blood clot, yeah, so fuck with blood clot me. Fuck with me Puss. You hear me tell you to leave me alone? A stinking pussy puppy tail me I deal with and stinking Tuffy. Tuffy you go up everybody live and I beg like she blood clot blind. Dirty Tuffy go clean your blood clot teeth and go score your foot. Your big dirty fucking foot. We're full of blood clot ringworm for your blood clot foot. Dirty Tuffy no see you stay bad. You stay bad, you well want come to England. You know everything about the queen, but you don't know about your pussy stink. You know about the queen, but you don't know about your pussy stink, your pussy stink. Your pussy stink, no blood clot. Your pussy stink. Where? Your pussy stink. Your pussy stink, no blood clot. You well want come to England, Tuffy. Tuffy, you can't come to England because you're going to put out your picture and tell England say he's a fucking thief. You can't come to England, Tuffy. England hate you. Nasty Tuffy. You can't come to England. You stay in Jamaica and suffer and beg like your blood clot blind. Suck a bowl of blood clot, Tuffy. You forgive up the blood clot. My nice clean sister, Diary, wagwan good as. I true Nicole company live. I think you black Nicole Diary and he cut you off last night. I don't know. Yeah, my nice clean sister. I think you black Nicole and he cut you off. I never me lock off the live. You black Nicole and he cut off. Nasty blood clot Tuffy. Go put your blood clot. Put J-Quan on your pussy. Make J-Quan eat a pussy when you dip on him. When you dip on your blood clot period. Nasty Tuffy. Hey baby, nasty Tuffy. put Draco on your pussy and make Draco eat the blood clot, the shit will come out of your pussy when they dip on your blood clot period. Nasty Tuffy. Have your son making suck out the blood out of your blood clot pussy when you come for your blood clot period. Nasty Tuffy. You're skeleton blood clot puppeteer look like dog hole. Puppeteer look disgraceful. You look like a dog hole. You look like a dog cement. Yeah, dog cement. Puppeteer I call my auntie, I make my auntie bring down your blood clot. Look, my phone go off, I make my man at here, me I go on. I call my auntie at Jamaica, make my auntie bring down your blood clot. Bring down your nasty blood clot. And then make my mother come later and bring down your blood clot. I call my family them at Jamaica and bring down your blood clot. Puppeteer, coffee blood clot post. Me send carrier blood clot Jamaica. That's for blood clot though. Puppeteer, go for blood clot post. I'm a sure post that I can sit on Yasso and deport blood clot carry. Post soccer sister. Yeah. Are you me and you in a beef? Nasty puppeteer. Nasty puppeteer. Nasty puppeteer. Boy, you tell blood clot Terrian we post tell about oh my jazz leaving a blood clot park. Oh my jazz for leaving a blood clot England park. Met no blood clot then like a me ya bring down. Terrian, at least my jazz leaving in the blood clot park, but you leave your daughter upon the handcat. Wicked dirty girl. Is a wicked blood clot girl. So cocky Terrian. Thiefing aka Tuffy. You leave your little daughter upon the blood clot and cat. Your daughter eat your blood clot. Your daughter eat your Tuffy. Your daughter eat your daughter say walk and mind the man. You make all the boy feel up your blood clot daughter. Last year when blood clot diarrhea upon the blood clot life and you cut off the blood clot life where you never want the little girl for talk. When the little girl go ball it out and say your husband touch her, and you lock off the blood clot life the middle and Darry say, hear that. Can never want the daughter ball it up on the life, say your husband molest her blood clot. That's a little girl eat you, the little girl eat you. Terry and you worry about blood clot, me. Worry about you that make the man, you that ask the little girl for fuck your blood clot, man. Dirty Terrian. Is a dirty blood clot careless mother. Go ahead, dirty Terrian. You're dirty, you look at that eat your blood clot, you're dirty. You big and stink and blood clot, dirty. Dirty girl, you're dirty in a blood clot. You're dirty. Dirty Terrian. Where? You have the little girl and fuck out. I feel up your blood clot that to come out and blood clot talk. Dirty girl. Where? Dirty blood clot Terrian, boy, you have somebody. You stink like shit, tough, you go clean it. You make a man feel up our blood clot. Where? He's a what is mother Tuffy? That's a little girl eat you. You make your own baby father daughter, you eat it. Me there for rub down your blood clot Tuffy. My auntie. Pauline? Mother call you alright?
Yeah, man.
Huh? No, what you do?
Nah, sit down, me just for as a school come sit down
Oh,
and get one vice note.
yeah. Is that what she said? Is it? Is it? Oh, what time was this? You tell her. What time was this, baby? What time was this? Oh, okay. But I want you know about time. But I want you know about them girl. Them girl are dead to me right now. Huh? You know, she know say, don't even call her name good as. She know say me will class her for you. She know that.
I don't have to class her, cause I no more and just leave back one and leave it right there.
Yeah. I hope she not call my name now, cause she know say me will tear down her pussy wall. She know that. She know that.
She
So,
will never
I hope she not call my name.
call that phone.
I hope she not call my name, cause she know say me not like.
She will leave the message so she know say, don't call, come in answer.
Yeah, I hope she not know. I hope she not call my name, cause she know say me class her. She know that too. So she tell her pitney for do the same thing. Huh? So she tell her pitney not for answer the phone. Yeah. Oh, me no know no. She mad. Allah. 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 Yeah. Allah. Allah. Pull him more go pa me live and rub out one big stinky girl but oh my jaws live in a one Duns blood clot park. Me ask her which part my jaws live in a blood clot park. One scaly. You know, Paul, you know one girl done a Jamaica done a Luke Lane called Tuffy, Thief in Tuffy?
I don't know none of them done made us ask the auntie. Are your auntie Terry that?
Shop Tuffy know she?
So she's supposed to know.
A lie, she know what nasty Tuffy?
Patsy, so Patsy, we know her name, so.
Me gonna ask Patsy right now, me gonna call Patsy.
I don't look and break you them idly.
Me spoilers, Tuffy come from spoilers.
She know how, Patsy, we know how.
Me gonna call her and ask her if she know her who.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right. Me gonna...
Robert come.
Okay. Me gonna ask her. Me gonna call her and ask her. But she not gonna let off no till she get anything. She gonna laugh. But me gonna ask her. She gonna know who. Oh, she gonna know who. But she one mad woman, social service take away me blood clot pit me. Go on social media but all social take on me blood clot pit me. Cause this fucking dirty woman post go give her information cause my class post like Dark Pauline. So she'll listen to post long time story. You get it?
Stop. Look.
Mm. 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 Oh, so my auntie probably know what dirty Tuffy. Oh.
That's good.
Panic, she live right by the building top, right there up on the building top, on yellow building top she live. And that's where him come from? Right there up on the main road. Yeah, right there so she always there on her life. Okay. Me go call her now and call you back and ask her. Alright then bye. Me call you. Dirty Tuffy will get your file. We're gonna get business, we'll work business, Dirty Tuffy. I ask somebody if they know blood clot, yo. Watch me, yo. Me I sure say you're a bad girl. Me I sure you something around here, dirty girl. Me I sure say you're gonna get beat the fuck up and send it to puppy tail. Me I show you something. And I broke up your blood clot foot road. Watch me, yo. I send it to puppy tail. Watch me, your blood clot. I call people. Nasty Tuffy. And they broke up your blood clot bone. I kick out your eye. I flatter your blood clot, you dirty woman. Nasty Tuffy. You're big and tough and stink. Come and call somebody. I get files. I files me I get more you Tuffy. We have links around here. Watch me and you. What's up? What you doing? You at work? You at work? Where they work? Somebody say, but somebody said them just say they're not spoilers. Yeah. Or like, what the last time they got spoilers? Oh, you know which fast spoilers there? Which fast spoilers there? Oh, is it? Next to the police station? Alright, that's it there.
Yeah, Wildman Street.
Alright, that's it there next to Luke Lane, baby.
Huh?
Next to Luke Lane.
Look like never been there.
Remember, yeah, you have to sue me now, baby. You have to sue me. Remember, some left Jamaica a long time, so you have to sue me. The police station next door to we?
The police station went down at home. They're far.
Oh, yeah? Oh. Oh. So you go there all the time? Or a long time you don't go there? Oh. Okay. Where's your daughter? Which one of them? Yeah. Is it because of the queen? Oh. Oh. They might delay this out because of the queen, probably, innit? Or that. Shirley said to you this morning? Oh, I think you thought about my stepmother. The next one. Your son, baby mother. You say Shirley. I think you thought about Shirley. Shirley or Shirley? Oh, I think it's a Shirley. Oh. Tuffy, I can't talk on this live. I'm gonna get some information about you because your teeth are broke up. Watch me and your blood clot. I forget some information and make your teeth broke out of your blood clot head. Watch me and you.